Well, day 34, so we'll be taking another high probability trades today as well. Look at here. So here is the potential liquidity zone here on 1 hour time frame of pound versus USD pair, and we will mark this out. Look here, we have a very potential liquidity zone. So we have support zone here, resistance zone here. So we got it deeper into here at these few candles. Let's check on 4 hourly time frame. So on 4 hourly time frame, as you can see here, we had a massive fair value gap here. So the market created a fair value gap here and went up, blah blah blah, and went down to this level, and again went up here and down to well into this and up. So we have swing low here, another swing low here. So we have a few pips below the most recent low at this point. So tried even to get deeper into this level, but got rejected. So the probability the market is going to go rally is a bit higher. So we have swing high here, and we have a swing low here. We have another swing low here. So up high we have a resistance zone just here. So we will get back to hourly time frame, and on 1 hour time frame we have a resistance zone here where price gets liquidated. So I took a short position in the previous trades we took at this point, and it went out good. So I feel that it will not go below this swing low, which was the target of take profit in the short position we took previously. Look how this candle has reacted of this zone. So without further ado, this is a very high probability trade that made me take or get interested in long position. So I will make my stop loss below these recent swing lows. The most deeper one is this one, so I will make it below this swing low, not far from it, but just a few pips away. So just like that, we will target our take profit below at least the most recent swing high, which is this one. So I'll be targeting this one. So this will make my risk to reward ratio close to almost 3. So we'll just put this trade into MetaTrader 5 profit level. Okay, on pound versus USD, profit level is this one, and my stop level is at this point. So I'm sorry guys if you are hearing background noises. It started after I hit my record. So this is my stop loss. So I'll be risking around actually my stop loss just at this point. So I'll be risking around $200 while um, making a take profit around $600. So I'll buy this position. So our entry um, price is 34210. 34210. Yeah, this one trade is just enough for today. So to wrap up, what are our confluences? Swing high, swing high, swing high, swing high. We have potential resistance zone. I considered taking a short position in the previous trade, which went out good, and I manually closed the trade with a profit at this point, but my take profit was around this swing low. So the market didn't actually reach all the way to here. We have, look, even it goes all the way here. We have a swing low here. If you can see here, we have a swing low here, swing low, swing low, swing low. So even this candle got shorted to go all the way down to this swing low. So even to take out this swing low. So I'll be keeping this trade open for at least 1 to 3 days. We'll get back to it tomorrow, and let's hope it takes out this swing high. So in fact, yeah, that's all. We'll see you guys. I mean, I will see you guys. Bye bye.